few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only roll like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to tie your waist beads, permanent versus stretch cord. We're starting with our tie on strands. Before you even begin, you want to know where you would like your beads to lay. Now, while holding both ends of your strands, you want to begin to wrap them around your waist until both ends meet in the middle, and then you can start to tie. Begin to tie your first knot while using your anchor beads as a guide. Adjust your beads as necessary while you continue to knot. You want to keep tying until they feel tight and secure. I like to do at least 12 knots. Once you've secured your beads, you can go ahead and cut the anchors off and adjust the strand accordingly. Next, we move on to everybody's favorite, stretch cord waist beads. And yes, these are as easy to tie as 1, 2, 3. Super quick and easy to take off as well. Adjust accordingly. Look at how bomb they look. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.